In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads account and understand the options before launching your first campaign. Let's get started by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type ads.google.com and press enter. On the homepage, click Start Now. This takes you into the sign-in flow. Use your existing Google account to continue. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Ads welcome page, which gives you a quick tour. Here, you'll see an overview of different ad types. Search ads appear on Google results when people look for products or services. Display ads are visual banners across sites and apps. Shopping ads highlight product details like price and image directly in search results. Video ads run on YouTube and across video partners. App campaigns promote installs and in-app actions. You don't need to choose anything yet. This page is simply introducing where your ads can appear. Scroll down to the section labeled Choose a Sign-Up Offer. Depending on your location, you may see options such as for 20,000 ad credit, for 40,000 ad credit, or for 60,000 ad credit. These are promotional credits, and they come with terms. Typically, you must spend a qualifying amount within a set time before the credit is applied to future costs, not retroactively. Review the fine print and confirm billing country and currency. Also note that offers can vary by region and change over time. Select the offer that fits your budget and click Claim Now, or select an offer to continue. Doing this moves you forward into account setup and the initial campaign creation screens. Don't worry, you'll have chances to review settings before anything goes live, and you can pause during setup if you need more time to prepare assets like headlines, images, or your landing page. Below the offers, Google explains common advertising goals. You'll see options like driving sales, getting more leads, increasing website traffic, or promoting your brand. These goals help Google suggest the most suitable campaign type and settings, but they don't lock you in. Pick the one that best matches your current priority, and remember you can refine your approach as you learn what works for your audience and budget. And that's how you create a Google Ads account and get ready to launch your first campaign. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly marketing tutorials.